What's up, guys? Another day, another deal. Just picked up this beautiful track. It's a 2020 track FX, and I just paid $150 for it. That's right. I used a new flip technique. It's just a copy and paste. Basically, there's three proven messages that get you the deals. You just copy and paste to the sellers off of Craigslist, Facebook, OfferUp, and this one I got off of Facebook, and here I am, guys. I bought it for $150. Not it's not a home run deal, but I'll be able to 2x to 3x my money in just a couple of days. So nothing, to brag about, but at the same time is 100 times, 200 times, 500 times more than the bank will pay me on my money at the bank. Okay, and really didn't take that much time to do this deal. All in all, this deal may take me 30 minutes to do. So then you flip. It's a copy and paste flipping system. It works in all markets, in all states. And if you're looking to grow your money, if you're looking to not start a business without debt, if you're looking to buy houses and you want to use your own cash, or if it's the bank's money or hard money, then the new flip is the thing for you. Okay, there's a link below. When you download it, I'm so confident that it works that I'm going to give you free coaching. No one in the industry is doing that because they don't believe in their stuff like I do. So when you download my self-help book, that's the key. It's a self-help book. I'll give you free coaching. I'll answer all your questions in our Facebook group. That's for real. So I'll see you in there. Good luck to you. And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful. Peace.